Hello guys, this is Saket. Now in this video I am going to discuss you about the exact ODE, that is a question to given in our NSEM question paper. Now let me discuss this question. Okay, coming to the question 2, that is exact ODE. Under what conditions on constant ABLK is the ODE AX plus BY plus KX plus Ly of dy by dx is equals to 0 is exact, and here asked to solve the exact ODE. Okay, here we have the two questions. We have to find the conditions between the constant ABLK and we have to solve the exact ODE. Okay, now first I will discuss about the what is exact ODE and the theory about this, and next we will solve the questions given in these two parts. Okay, what is an exact ODE? Any differential equation of form m of x comma y dx plus n of x comma y dy is equals to 0 is exact when there exists a function of two variables with continuous partial derivatives. Let us assume that function is u of x comma y. The continuous function of two variables with continuous partial derivatives, that is du is equals to dou u by dou x of dx plus dou u by dou y of dx, and the exact form will be equals to du is equals to 0, and then integrating du you will get integrate this du, you will get u of x comma y is equals to c. Okay, this is the conditions for the exact ODE. This is the thing we solved till now, and we have to take this, taking these two equations as 1 and 2. Now I am solving this. M is equals to dou u by dou x, n is equals to dou u by dou y, and again partial differentiation of m with respect to y is equals to dou square u by dou x dou y, and partial differentiation of n with respect to x is equals to dou square u by dou x dou y. Okay, these are the two things we got, and we have taken the function is continuous, we can write as dou m by dou y is equals to dou n by dou x. This is one condition for the ODE to be exact, and this is enough conditions to solve the constants. But to solve the exact ODE, we have another form, that is u is equals to integration of n dx plus k of y, or integration of n dy plus L of x. Okay, 1 minute. And then we got the conditions. Now let's get into our question. Our question is ax plus by of dx plus kly plus kx of dy is equals to 0. Okay, now m is equals to ax plus by and n is equals to ly plus kx. As I explain the general form, that is m of x comma y dx plus n of x comma y dy equals to 0. Comparing that equation with this, we will get m and n values. Okay, and we have the condition. For the first condition, we got dou m by dou y, that is partial derivation of m with respect to y is equals to partial derivation of n with respect to x. That is, this is the equation, you know that. Before I forgotten to write here. Okay, next, dou by dou y of ax plus by is equals to dou by dou x of lx plus kx plus ly. Okay, now the condition ax with the partial derivation of y of ax, which is x as constant, which will be equals to 0, plus partial derivation of y with respect to by will be equals to b. Same here, for ly it will be x as constant, ly x as constant, and for kx we will get as partial derivative as k plus 0, that is b equals to k. Okay, this is the first condition we got. And for exact ODE, u is equals to integration of m dx plus k of y, that is integration of ax plus by dx plus k of y, that is integration of ax dx will be a constant, integration of x dx will be x square by 2, plus by will be a constant, integration of 1 dx which will be equals to x, so that's why bxy plus k of y. For finding k of y, we have to partial differentiation of u with respect to y, okay, which will be equals to n, that is partial differentiation of y ax square plus bxy plus k of y. Okay, n we have got that n as kx plus ly, that is it will be act as constant when we are partial derivating with respect to y, so 0 plus dou by dou y of bxy. For y it will be get 1, bx will be act as constant, so we will get bx plus dou by dou y of k of y. As we got that condition b is equals to k, we can cancel out these two terms. ly is equals to dou by dou y of k of y, that is ly dou, and integrating this we will get ly square by 2 is equals to k of y. We are taking the constant as c. So okay, finally we got u as ax square by 2 plus bxy plus k of y, we got ly square by 2 plus c. This is the exact ODE we got. Okay, now to verify this exact ODE is correct or not, I will say that, and I will say a method, second method, easy method to find the exact ODE. Method to exact ODE, that is integration of m dx plus integration of n dy. In n we have to write only y, that is not containing x terms, we have to write, that is ax plus by of dx plus integration of kx plus ly, so we have to write only y term, that is ly dy. That implies u, that the function you will get u equals to ax square by 2 plus bxy, the integration plus ly square by 2, y dy equals to y square by 2 and ly plus c constant. So this is the easy way to find the exact ODE. Okay, to find the exact ODE we got this and this, both are same. Okay, now we have to find that exact ODE is correct or not. For this I have a method, I will show you this. The method is du. that is partial differentiation of u with respect to x plus partial derivative of y with respect to y sorry. Okay, that dou u by dou x of dx plus dou u by dou y of dy, so ax square plus bxy, x square by 2 plus bxy plus ly square by 2 plus c x1 dx plus ax square by 2 plus bxy plus ly square by 2 plus c y1 dy. Okay, partial differentiation with differentiation with respect to x, that is 2x square, x square will be equals to 2x, 2 will get cancelled, and we finally get ax plus by will be act as constant, partial differentiation of x will be 1, will get by, these two will become constant, dx plus here we got ax square by 2, it will be act as constant, and c will be equal to 0, and for bx will be act as constant, partial differentiation of y will be equals to 1, plus coming to this ly square by 2 ly square by 2 y square will be equals to 2y, partial differentiation of y square equals to 2y, 2 will get cancelled, and we will get ly dy. That is exact ODE. We got that du. That's, as you know, that b equals to k, we got the question given, so our solution is correct. This is the way to identify whether you got the answer as correct or not. So coming to finalizing the question, we got the condition between the constant is b equals to k, and the exact ODE we got as ax square by 2 plus bxy plus ly square by 2 plus c. Hope you understand this. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.